Hey, ¿qué la que hay, mi amigo? It's Rocky here from SpeakSpanishFaster.com, and in today's video, we will be doing another hyperspeed training session to help you with your Spanish listening comprehension. Today's video is going to be an example of a trip to the movie theaters in Spanish. Now, remember, it's key to focus on the new words that you learn here. Also, remember to write down any words that you are seeing or hearing for the very first time. Now, I'll talk a little bit more about writing down words and stuff like that in a second. But before we get started, I want to quickly discuss a few things. Now, first, definitely if you need any help with any topics in Spanish, please don't hesitate to comment down below and let me know. I mean, some people have been asking me questions about grammar, things like reflexive pronouns, imperfect, and preterite, and things like that. Now, as you guys know, I don't love teaching grammar, but I will say we can't change the fact that some of these things you need to know in order to pass your class in school. It's just the nature of the beast, right? And some things you just have to learn. So I've been working on ways that I can teach you grammar rules and conjugations and stuff that are actually effective and still fall into the style and methods that I think are most effective for learning Spanish. So they all kind of work together. Now, I haven't fully figured out the best way to help you with this yet. I'm still tweaking a few things, but as soon as I figure it out, just know I would definitely help you out with that. All right. It should be very, very soon. I'm spending pretty much every day trying to dial in my methods. All right. Now, as always, let's quickly run through exactly how you should do the hyperspeed training exercise, especially if you're new here. So for the first time you go through the exercise, you will hear and also you're going to read Spanish and English text. So you're going to hear in Spanish while you read in Spanish, but also have the English text below. I want you to go through this numerous times until you feel comfortable with the text and feel like you understand a good percent. And when I say good percent, I mean like 80 to 100% of everything. All right. Now, this itself might take the longest amount of time, especially if you're a beginner. You may have to listen to it a few times. And remember, write down the words that you don't know, but just don't write one word. Write down the actual phrase that contains the word because the context is going to help you remember the words better when you review. So when you finally have a good understanding of the words, the second phase of the training, you'll see that the audio is going to speed up for you. That's why we call it the hyperspeed method. And this is why it's important that you don't move on until the second phase, until you fully understand the text. All right, because when the text speeds up, I also remove the English and you have just the Spanish text present. So you're reading in Spanish while you're listening fast. All right. Now, the final phase, we go back to regular speed and I remove all the text. And I want you to just focus on listening. Sometimes it works even better to close your eyes and just listen, put all your power and focus on listening. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the hyperspeed method training for today. Hey, ¿qué tú haces esta noche?
Nada especial. ¿Por qué?
¿Quieres ir al cine?
Buena idea. ¿Qué quieres ver?
Pues hay una película estadounidense de gran éxito. Dicen que es muy buena.
¿Qué tipo de película es?
Es una película de acción.
¿Está doblada?
No, está subtitulada.
¿Cuándo es?
A las 8.
Nos vemos fuera del cine a las 8 menos cuarto.
Ok, nos vemos ahí.
Hola, ¿cómo puedo ayudarte?
Hola, me gustaría comprar 2 entradas para Men in Black.
Ok, ¿a qué hora quieres verla?
A las 8.
Lo siento, todas las entradas están agotadas.
¿Y la otra?
Déjame verificar. Tenemos 4 asientos disponibles a las 10 y a las 11.
Ok, ¿puedo comprar 2 entradas para las 10?
Claro, no hay problema. ¿Eres estudiante o adulto?
Estudiante.
¿Me puede dar su identificación de estudiante, por favor?
Claro, aquí está.
Son $10.
Aquí tiene.
Tiene los asientos 22 y 24, fila 18. Disfruten la película.
Gracias. Hey, ¿qué tú haces esta noche?
Nada especial. ¿Por qué?
¿Quieres ir al cine?
Buena idea. ¿Qué quieres ver?
Pues hay una película estadounidense de gran éxito. Dicen que es muy buena.
¿Qué tipo de película es?
Es una película de acción.
¿Está doblada?
No, está subtitulada.
¿Cuándo es?
A las 8.
Nos vemos fuera del cine a las 8 menos cuarto.
Ok, nos vemos ahí.
Hola, ¿cómo puedo ayudarte?
Hola, me gustaría comprar 2 entradas para Men in Black.
Ok, ¿a qué hora quieres verla?
A las 8.
Lo siento, todas las entradas están agotadas.
Ah, ¿y la otra?
Déjame verificar. Tenemos 4 asientos disponibles a las 10 y a las 11.
Ok, ¿puedo comprar 2 entradas para las 10?
Claro, no hay problema. ¿Eres estudiante o adulto?
Estudiante.
¿Me puede dar su identificación de estudiante, por favor?
Claro, aquí está.
Son $10.
Aquí tiene.
Tiene los asientos 22 y 24, fila 18. Disfruten la película.
Gracias. Hey, ¿qué tú haces esta noche?
Nada especial, ¿por qué?
¿Quieres ir al cine?
Buena idea. ¿Qué quieres ver?
Pues hay una película estadounidense de gran éxito. Dicen que es muy buena.
¿Qué tipo de película es?
Es una película de acción.
¿Está doblada?
No, está subtitulada.
¿Cuándo es?
A las 8.
Nos vemos fuera del cine a las 8 menos cuarto.
Ok, nos vemos ahí.
Hola, ¿cómo puedo ayudarte?
Hola, me gustaría comprar 2 entradas para Men in Black.
Ok, ¿a qué hora quieres verla?
A las 8.
Lo siento, todas las entradas están agotadas.
Ah, ¿y la otra?
Déjame verificar. Tenemos 4 asientos disponibles a las 10 y a las 11.
Ok, ¿puedo comprar 2 entradas para las 10?
Claro, no hay problema. ¿Eres estudiante o adulto?
Estudiante.
¿Me puede dar su identificación de estudiante, por favor?
Claro, aquí está.
Son $10.
Aquí tiene.
Tiene los asientos 22 y 24, fila 18. Disfruten la película.
Gracias. Great job. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Remember that you can utilize this method with any Spanish videos that you watch here on YouTube, especially if they have subtitles. And all of my most recent videos I've done on this channel in Spanish, I've put subtitles in Spanish and English. So definitely check out some of those videos so that you can continue to get practice. I want you guys to know that I am thoroughly enjoying helping you learn Spanish. And even though I am a Spanish teacher or a coach, I still consider myself a student of this beautiful language, and each day you guys hold me accountable. You guys make me work harder. You guys make me better, and you force me to improve my training methods and strategies. And I believe that it helps everybody in the long run. So thank you for pushing me to be better. I hope I can push you to be better. Again, I'm planning on mixing up the types of content that we do on this channel, and of course, continuing to implement more comprehensible input in Spanish for you so that you can continue to improve your Spanish so that you can start speaking fluently like you want. And if you're really serious about improving your Spanish, definitely check out my free training where I reveal my 3 biggest secrets to improving your Spanish. Just click the first link in the comments. I'll pin it there for you. And that'll take you to a page where you can check out my 3 biggest secrets to learn to speak and comprehend Spanish with native speakers for free. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please do me a big favor. Hit the thumbs up for me. Comment below. Let me know what else you need help with. Again, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, please comment. That helps me come up with content so that I can make sure I'm giving you the content that you actually want, that you actually need. Last but not least, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications so you never miss another video. Until next time, I'll see you then.